best way to view the future of work is through the lens of human expertise. Expertise Project exposes students to local careers using video. Expertise Project focuses on the local construction, manufacturing, and building design industry, like architecture and engineering, primarily focused here in the Capital Region and Mohawk Valley regions of upstate New York. We focus on working with local employers, local schools, and families.
2 years ago, prior to COVID, we used our Central Valley students, carried cameras into a lot of these manufacturing plants, and we started to create the videos just to start this thing. Some of the kids got into, like, when they walked through the manufacturing plants, me included, they were like, oh my God, we had no idea that this was happening.
I'm Gary Farquhar. I'm Vice President of Manufacturing for Gehring-Trichl Corporation. Gehring-Trichl Corporation has been in business since 1946. We're currently being run by the third generation, veteran-owned.
We're capturing the outgoing workforce and the incoming workforce. And you know, having a video and oral history is important. I believe that COVID had something to do with it, but you know, there are people retiring sooner than I think they would have.
We have more than 400 manufacturers in the 6-county Mohawk Valley region, and their number one need right now is workers. They need more workers that are technically skilled. Many of the jobs in the state of New York are high paying right now within the industry, and there's a tremendous opportunity. And one of the things that I'm working on here with other workforce development professionals in the Mohawk Valley and across the state is awareness. I think that you would be surprised. There's many students, grades 9 through 12 right now in the state, and specifically here in the Mohawk Valley, that may not really know what those opportunities are.
If you look into the future, we humans are going to be utility players, right? If you have expertise in one thing, I don't know how you're going to necessarily adapt and do well in the future. I think the future of work means, especially in the age of YouTube and Expertise Project, there is no excuse to take 10,000 hours to become an expert anymore. I believe Expertise Project, especially engaging people in the academic world and the professional world by working together, this will move the needle.